Hello, greetings. This is Gilles. I wanted to come very, very quickly because I'm not really sure. I have my internet for package that will start on the second, so hopefully I will be able to put them online. I wanted to say that we're passing through. We've been prepared for this great event in 2012. For it is now. The event is now. It is the first step of a great event that will shift humanity from the mental, selfish process to a heart-based, loving, inclusive process. And our missions have been told, we've been given our mission is to stay calm, to stay peaceful, to reassure everybody, and to organize a way to reassure people, to force them to turn towards the heart. For the heart, the love, the faith, and the light is the ultimate protection. For understanding, Gaia our planet, Mother Earth, did not have 100 years to wait for humans to change their ways, and so it is, and there was a divine intervention, because if there was not divine intervention, we would not be looking at some tens of thousands of people died. It's unfortunate that this happened, but we would be looking at hundreds of millions. We would be facing mass extinction, but the planet did not want that, so the divine intervention made that diminish the potency of that pathogen. For all things serves God, life, and evolution. There is no good or bad. Right now we're detoxing. We are detoxing on the collective level. We are detoxing from massive negativity and fears that are being released. Soon we're going to be able to take our flight. So we want to stay neutral and emotionally and in silence. When we stay neutral in silence, regardless of what's going on, we are assisting the world. We're anchoring those forces, those energy, and all the spiritual work we do is paving the way for all of humanity. So it is very, very significant beyond what we can believe. We do not want to confuse the ascension symptom with this pathogen also, for things can happen, but then we don't yet know the law of attraction. That's why by bombarding, we feel like we are in an ER TV show, like 24/7 on all channel. The more we think about fear, the more we think about illness, the more people will become vulnerable. So do not fall into that. Stay focused. Know that it is necessary. And for life is a journey, it is not a destination. And all those who are chosen to serve the truth, to serve God, to serve the highest good of all, will be rewarded beyond their wildest dream, whether it is in this life or afterwards. For our soul contract there was a certain aspect of our soul contract that is about purification, it is about refinement, it is about having a circular consciousness rather than angular consciousness, to have less judgment and to be able to receive life with a more to be very respectful of all that is, to understand that everybody is going through a difficult time right now. So it's about supporting them without judgment, but not allowing the negativity to invade our own consciousness. For the city of light will soon descend, and for illumination is to see the light of God. And the more we see the light of God, the more we can shine. The more we can shine, the more we can see this light of God, which is our true nature. There is my life belongs to God, no matter what. My senses, I've given my life and my body to God. And so the more you do that, the more you will see that things will be elevated through that process. For we're getting closer to the day of resurrection. In the Torah, the Bible, and the Quran, they're talking about this great day of resurrection. For the enlightenment can only be found within. It is, and you are the light of God. So there is really, it's overcoming all those old negative. For there is a great reservoir of love also at the center of the earth. We can bring it up to our heart, and we can also draw love and light from above and bring it to the heart. The heart is the neutral chakra. We have really asked to let go of a lot of the mental process in order to move into the heart-based consciousness. For that is really the point of the process. Well, that's basically what I wanted to talk about. I wanted to make it short, and for soon, the Spirit is preparing me already for the next step. For there is many things that there is still a lot of vulnerability in the world, but we want to pray, and we want to send love and light, and whenever and when our thoughts are not fully pure, fully enlightened, we do not want to judge ourselves for it. We want to say, well, this is not really me, and so then from there you become conscious, and just taking 3 breaths through the nose and out to the mouth will always center. Those 3 breaths will bring us back to that center, that lucidity. Behind me, this is about ascension, elevation. And so it is about the ego, the soul, and the Godhead. I'm going to pull a few cards just to see with the angels. The highest wisdom in French was healing. It was a card of healing in the highest wisdom. For we want to heal ourselves. We're here to assist in the healing of the world. For the highest wisdom is about rejoicing. Rejoice already. For the change we've been asking are actually coming. But there will be more of those events to force humanity to change, because humanity signs were given, messages were given, everything was done to incite men to change, but the change did not happen. And so now the universe has to force the changes through the process. So what we need to understand is that it is a learning process where we are learning new skills. You are learning to tune in to that higher frequency. What we need to do is complementary. We become a cooperative component, and we are attracting all the people and the situation that are complementing us. And the outcome is the dream. We want to focus on our dream, focus on your inner self, what is truly, what has value for you, what is the life you want in this. Do not settle for the past. We have the power to recreate the future each and every day. And this is a cosmology painting. It's mainly about the universe of universes and the 7 great families of spirit beings. I want to make this video short, so I'm going to sing a short song. It's a song called Love. Love is real, real is love. Love is feeling, feeling love. Love is wanting to be loved. Love is touch, touch is love. Love is reaching, reaching love. Love is asking to be loved. Love is you, you and me. Love is knowing we can be. Love is free, free is love. Love is living, living love. Love is needing to be loved. Great song from John Lennon. So I just hope this time you take this time for yourself to cultivate this inner self, this inner connection. For it is really our work, our mission here to continue to be an example to the world as much as possible, and to continue to follow. So the card of the day, the highest, which is it's into the sea, it's flowing with the current, to jump into the sea, to return to the source, to follow the flow, and to boldly go where no one has gone before. Well, thank you very much for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. I appreciate your comments. I hope you navigate those times with peace in your heart, and to continue to cultivate, to find any way possible to get assistance from the invisible world. Whenever you need it, just call. You'll see the answer will come, and the assistance is being provided. Thank you very much. Namaste.